Pronoun. Nakasigirwa. Nakasigirwa. Hello everyone and welcome to my videos of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlekia Ben. In the previous video, we saw how you can count numbers. And today, we are going to talk about pronoun. Pronoun. Nakasigirwa. Nakasigirwa. What is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that can be used instead of a noun. A pronoun is a word that can be used instead of a noun. Nakasigirwa ke kagambo akayinza okukozesebwa ku lw'erinnya. Nakasigirwa ke kagambo akayinza okukozesebwa ku lw'erinnya. Remember, pronoun comes from pro and noun. So pro is a Latin word meaning for. For or instead of. A noun is a name of anything. A noun is a name of anything, forming pronoun. Nakasigirwa. Leero tugenda kutunulira ku nakasigirwa ez'obuntu. Nakasigirwa ez'obuntu. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. So let's dive into it. I. Inze. Inze. We. Fe. You. Gwe. You all. Mwe. He or she. Ye. And if there are many, you say bo. So let's take some examples so that we can know. I ate the orange. Inze yalidde omuchungwa. We ate the orange. Fe abalidde omuchungwa. You cooked today. Gwe eyafumbye leero. And if you're referring to many of them, you will say mwe abafumbye leero. He is a boy. Ye mulenzi. She is a girl. Ye muwala. Thank you very much for watching, and we're going to continue on in the next video. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, meet up. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.